Hi guys, welcome to Tech Geek. So today I'm again back with another Leetcode daily challenge problem. That's the search suggestion system. So basically, before beginning this question, I'd like to request you all to please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I am trying my best to provide you with the possible approaches. That's basically some easy approaches for the beginners because not every one of you are aware of tries and all. And before that, I'd even like to request you if you need any help from my end, that's for the interview experience or any particular question that's not understandable, please mention in the comment and I'll be there to help you out very soon. So let's begin with the question, what this question says. Okay, so the question says that we have been given a string of arrays, of array of strings that's product and a string that's a search word. We have to design a system that searches for at most three. So this is the limit we need to check. At most three names for the products after each character of search word is typed. Suggested products should have common prefix. If there are more than three products with a complex prefix, return the three lexographic minimum products. Okay, that's you can say kind of constraint that it should be just three and lexographic minimum. Return a list of the suggested products after each character or search word is typed. Now basically if you guys are what, I guess everyone is having a smartphone, so when you open your contacts, what happen in contacts that when you type the first letter, all the contacts with that first letter or having that letter in it pops up, right? That's what basically happens in whenever we search. Then if we type the second, then some contacts get reduced and third, and basically this goes on. So we have to design the same system but in a different way where we have a constraint that it should be a prefix, it should not be the middle one. Secondly, only the top three results should be shown. So these are the two things that we need to keep in mind while we are designing. So this is what makes this question a little bit medium one, but I would say it's not difficult if you know the concepts, like how you should go up with the approach that's basically needed. So first let's see the example and then we'll continue with the approach. Okay. So the example is like these are the list of products given and we have been given a search word mouse. Okay. Now for this search word mouse, we'll tell this one in a little fast way so that you guys can know. Okay. And the second one I'll explain very well. Yeah. Now for mouse, right? We have this word mouse. Let me change its color. Okay, it was being typed, it's my mistake. Okay, we have this mouse. Now for mouse, the first letter that would be typed is M, right? In M you can see there are so many, so we'll choose the first minimum, right? MO, 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 everyone is having MO, so MO once would be there. Now MOB, this should be first, right? MONE, this should be the second one, and then third. Only the top three would come. Again, if the person types MO, again the top three, these are same for this time, so it will be this. Now, as the person types MOU, so it will search for MOU. So we have 1 and 2. It will check lexicographically. So this is minimum and then this. Then it will give mouse and mousepad. Again S, still the same, E and still the same. So we have 5 letters, 5 alphabets. For 5 alphabets we'll get 5 lists. Okay, so this is basically what we need to do. Now let's see another. That's this is the example 3 given in the question, so I'll be explaining with this um, as all three are same, and for the first one the explanation was already mentioned. Okay, so again we have this bags, baggage, banner, box, clothes, and this is the type of the word that we need to search. So what we'll do, okay, basically the number of list we want should be the length of the search word, because it will be type B A, first B, then BA, then BAG, and then BFGS. So we'll return list with 4 list, right? Now coming to the lexographic minimum. So what we need to do is the first thing is to sort this lexicographic, right? Sort it. If we have this sorted, then we can get. Now, okay, I'll just sort it first. Okay, should be okay. For bags, banner, clothes. Okay, so the first one we'll get is baggage. Then we'll have bags. Then we have banner. Then we have box, and then we have clothes. This is the sorted list. Okay. Now after the list is sorted, we got this list. What we will do is, for the search word bags, we need to get the prefix. First prefix is B, then BA, then BAG, and then BAGS. Okay. Now we need to run this loop. That's for each and every word, for each and every prefix, we need to check the first three. So for the first, we'll take the B, that's the first prefix. For B, we'll run this loop from here. Is B a prefix of this? Yes. Then store it in the first list. Is B a prefix of this? Yes. Store it in the first list. Again, coming to the third one, it is. Now we have a constraint that it should just be 3. So before beginning, we'll have a counter that will store count 1, count 2, count 3. As it is count 3, break this loop. Come to the second one. Now we have BA. Again, we'll check BA. Is BA there? Yes. Is BA there? Yes. Again, this should be the same. So for BA, we'll get the same. Okay. Then we have BAG. Again for BAG, we'll check. Okay. That is this? Yes. Is this? Yes. For this, no. Now, if it is a no, then obviously the counter is also not going, but it's not there, so we'll break it. Okay. So instead of banner, we'll just have these two. Again, coming to bags. Now for bags, do this, no, only the last one. So bags is the, so the list would be first list, second list, third list, and fourth list. We'll have 4 lists. You can check, this is how we'll do. So what are the steps? Get the length of the search word. You'll get the length of the list required, number of lists required. Secondly, sort it lexicographically. Take out all the prefix of the search word. Compare the prefix one by one with the list and store it. Keep a counter to check. If it's equal to 3, break it. Okay. Now let's look at the code. So basically, first I found out the length, then storing the prefix. Okay, storing the prefix in an array. That's a prefix I took from 0 to I plus 1. That's BE, then BAG. Similarly, sorting the products. Now what we'll do, for every prefix, the count should be 0. We'll take a new list. That's a list inside list. Store, then for the products, we'll check if the product starts with that prefix, store it in the list and increment the counter. Once the counter goes with 3, break this loop and add this inner list to the resultant list. That's a list of list and increment I. That's the list position. Okay. I hope this question was clear. In case of any difficulty or any queries, do let me know in the comment box. And please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much guys. Thank you.